Hello learners. In this session, we are creating a model for a pool app with a Django. Introduction to Django ORM. Django ORM, Object Relational Mapping, helps us interact with the database using Python instead of SQL. It allows us to define database tables using Python classes, create relationships between tables, and query data easily with Python. Every model we create in Django represents a table in the database. Define models for the pools app. You will create two models, question and choice. Question model stores pool questions, while choice model stores the possible choices for each question. Steps to define models. First, open the models.py inside pools. Second, add the following code from Django.db import models, class question, models.model, question text equal models character field, maximum length 200, publication date equal models.datetime field, date published, class choice, models.model, question equal models.form key, question comma on delete equal models.cascade, and choice text equal models.character field maximum 200, votes equal models.integer field default equal O. Change directory. Now we go to open models.py. From Django.db import models, create models here, class question, models.model, question text equal models.character field, maximum length 200, update equal models.date datetime field, date published, class choice, models.model, question equal models dot foreign key, question on delete equal models dot cascade, choice underscore text equal models dot character field, maximum length 200, votes equal models dot integer field, default equal 0. Then we save it. Making and applying migrations. After defining models, we need to create tables in the database using migrations. Steps to create migrations. Open the terminal and run Python manage.py make migrations pools. You can see these outputs. Create model question and create model choice. Now we apply the migrations to update the database. We use Python manage.py migrate. Operations to perform. Apply all migrations, admin, auth, content types, pools, sessions, running migrations. Step 4, adding custom methods to models. We can add useful methods to our models to enhance their functionality. Steps to add methods. We open models.py inside pools and update the models. Import datetime from Django.db. Import models from Django.utils. Import time zone. We already defined questions. Div str self, return self.question text. Div was published recently, self, now equal time zone.now, return now datetime dot time delta, days equal 1, was published recently dot admin order field equal pub date, was published recently dot boolean equal true, was published recently dot short description equal published recently, class choice models dot model question equal models, we defined it, and div str self return self dot choice text. After we updated it, we save the file. str method returns a readable string representation, while was published recently checks if the question was published in the last 24 hours. Step 5, registering models in Django admin. To manage our models in the admin panel, we need to register them. Open inside pools admin.py file and added it from Django.contrib import admin, from .models import question and choice, class question admin, admin.model admin, list underscore display equal question text, update was published recently, admin.site.register question and question admin.site register choice. From Django.contrib import admin, from .models import question, comma, choice. Question admin.model admin, list display equal question text, update, comma, was published recently, admin.site.register question comma, question admin dot site dot register choice, and we save it. This will display was published recently in the admin panel. Step 6, testing the methods. Run the development server by running this code, python manage.py run server. Then open your browser and go to the Django admin panel at this link, python manage.py run server, and we click on this link. Instead of policy, we go to admin. Recap: we defined the question and choice models. Then we created and applied migrations to update the database. After that, we added custom methods for additional functionality, and then we registered models in the admin panel. By following these steps, you can effectively manage pool questions and choices in your Django application.